One peaceful evening, Tashi was walking alone. The mountains were quiet, and the sky was glowing.
Suddenly, Tashi heard someone was asking for help.
Help! Please help!
Oh, who's there? Who's there?
Tashi saw Little Bird was trying to fly.
Hi, I'm Tashi. What happened?
I'm Miko. I'm scared to fly.
I felt scared too, but I tried anyway.
What if I fall?
Tashi encouraged the little bird. Miko tried again and again and finally able to fly.
I'm flying! I'm flying! Thank you, Tashi!
And from that day, Tashi had a new friend. Believe in yourself and you will fly.